everybody, welcome to TYCOONseries YouTube channel. I'm your host Matsiliso Monica Tilwani, and today we'll be tackling on Mjolo heartbreak experiences, and we have our beautiful guest, Mjolo.
Hey there, I'm good.
I'm glad that you're good because now we're going to sing so much good. But anyway, we have to keep being good because that's life. We move.
We roll.
Yeah, okay. So what brought you here to actually say, you know what, I want to talk about my experience of Mjolo because it rough casted my heart. What happened?
Shit happened.
No!
I'm for real, but yeah, okay, this is what happened. I met the love of my life. I thought he was the love of my life. Okay, ke le SU le yena. Yes.
So are you talking about a recent thing or something that happened in the past?
It happened last year.
Oh my god, it's recent.
Very.
Okay, so long you don't cry. We okay. Because now if you cry, I'm such a baby. I'm gonna cry with you. So please don't cry.
That pleasure. Okay, so this is what happened. I really loved the guy way too much, and yes, motho a jwala mo tla utlwisisa na ke bua ka
how go mo rata motho.
Yes.
Even le SU wena le SU, it was like it was about to happen.
Life was so good,
Yeah,
to believe me. Okay, yes, I really thought he was the love of my life. Because you know when you've got a man, anangly everything you want in a man.
Everything you want in a man.
That's everything.
I'll drink to that.
Yeah. So, this one other time, I was sleeping over at his place, and the following morning I had to go to my place, and then Lena on at town. So where he was going to sleep over, like at a friend's place. He would be coming back. How we can do if a deal.
Okay.
Yes. So I went to my place.
You didn't have a problem because you knew this is my person. He won't have to lie for no reason.
I didn't, and I didn't want to be a control freak. That's what happened.
Nice.
So I went to my place. Okay, I actually love phone calls, and the next morning I got a phone call from my man's. Okay, hi, we talked. He told me that we just talked, like he just checked up on me on call.
Yeah, okay.
Then later on we talked on WhatsApp. So he asked me how I was doing. I was, no, I'm good. Can you come over? But I was just there last night. He's like, no, I need to see you. I miss you, all that stuff. You know when you're in love, when somebody says that, you actually like, you feel good.
You even love it.
Yes. So he just told me, don't knock. He actually keeps his doors locked every time. So he told me not to lock. I should just open the door. And I made him a voice note inquiring why I shouldn't knock. No, he said, my phone has got some speaker problems and some shit. So could you please just type? Okay, then I had to type. But I felt it was kind of weird.
Yeah, I mean, you never had restrictions before. Now there are restrictions.
No. So, but I kept going. I had to go. His call.
This is a man,
Yes,
yes.
I had to go. So I went over to his place. Getting there, I did exactly as I was instructed. I don't even know how to say this one, but I'm gonna say it. His bed ishabanilile matila high when you open. I opened the door to a very bad scene.
But how?
Bad, explicit. Can I?
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. But he knew you were coming.
We'll get to that. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. the story will tell you more when I keep on going.
All right. Okay.
Yes. So I opened the door and yeah, there was another lady on top of him.
Doing the things.
Yes.
That should make the point to me.
The things that I'm used to doing on my man. I didn't actually know how I felt.
Yeah.
I felt like I was breaking right there where I was standing. I used to do those things to my man. Maybe even more. I didn't know what she was doing.
Now it's a movie in front of you.
But
it's actually a reality, but it's a movie.
I'm experiencing it. Okay. I tried to be so strong, women and wanting to be strong.
Okay, tell me, when you're trying to be strong, are you around here or you just left?
I'm still there.
So you're trying to be strong?
Yes.
In the midst of everything that's happening?
Yes.
How is that out to be?
And then I just acted okay. Mm-hmm. I went straight to the window seat. It was around 8 a.m. Mm-hmm. I opened the window and I told them that it's not smelling fresh here, so you need to open the windows. Then I went to the window, I opened the window.
So now you have been the stronger one.
Yeah.
You have been the bigger person.
Yes.
You've already seen what's happening, but now you wanna pretend like you didn't see anything?
I wanna make myself a hardcore.
Okay.
Yeah, so I opened the window, then I told them that you guys, we got a pending conversation. You get me outside while you guys
when
get
you were
dressed.
still strong enough to have a conversation with these people who just betrayed you?
At some point, when you love people, love it. So I don't even know how to explain it, but it's love.
I understand.
That was love for me. Uh-huh. Yeah.
And then how that worked out?
No, it was very bad. There was chaos back in the room. This is what happened. The guy was not on his phone. The chick she
actually wanted you
yes.
to know that she's paying
yes.
your man.
Yes, that's what happened.
So now you know the whole story. The guy doesn't even understand what's happening right now.
Because so to his surprise, I just show up.
Because that's what I was wondering. I mean, you knew that he was out there.
Yes.
Having fun somewhere out there, and then you were okay with that.
Yeah.
But now he's acting a bit weird. And then now you have, you are going to his place because you're invited there.
Yes.
Apparently by him.
Yeah.
But actually it wasn't him.
No.
It was his other hooker.
The psycho B. Yeah.
I won't even say it's a psycho B because I think this guy is the problem. This guy that we are actually talking about is the problem. Because what's the problem with us as women? Mm-hmm. We tend to blame other women. We don't put the blame on men that are cheating on us, or that are hating us, or that are making us feel like fools.
But still,
it doesn't matter.
Yes.
But yeah, she did that.
She did that. So it happened that she did that because so she actually wanted to know the owner of the toiletries. Mm-hmm. So she got the owner.
So now you're there, and then what happens?
They came out after that chaos thing which was happening. So I still wanted to be so strong. Like I just told him that, you know what, when I leave this place, and believe me, I loved you. I was called the wife. I felt I belong. It was so good. It was a great feeling.
But did you actually just like leave? Or
I had to know some few things before I left. So I had to ask the lady, so why
so
am I
you became
here?
the bigger person.
Yes.
At least they set the cycle down
yes.
as you refer.
Yes. Because I think she was hoping that I'm going to be weird and want to act
and
up, but I didn't give her the benefit of the doubt. Mm-hmm. So she gave me the answers. Like she told me.
Then you thought, we are actually the fools.
Yeah.
Both of us.
Yes.
Like there is no one else. this is the main and this is the side.
No.
We're actually fools.
Actually. So, yeah, I left the place. It was so painful.
How did you
somebody pinched my heart.
But
that kind of pain.
How did you get over it? How did you get over the pain? Because I can feel that it was like too painful.
Actually, I had to take some counseling sessions because actually, I went to my place. I was still because I didn't talk about this. I went to my place. I just called my friend, can you please come to my place? She came and I was having my morning bath and I just collapsed outside.
It was bad.
Yes, and
That's bad?
yes, it was actually that bad. I could only recognize myself the following morning, 2 a.m. the following morning, and waking up at a hospital on trips, oxygen bags, mask and stuff.
And then you're like, this is bad.
It was actually bad, very bad.
So now you're going through all this, and then now you have to swallow everything.
Like I literally had to.
But was it still too painful? Like you're waking up and then there are flashbacks and everything.
That's what made it painful. Those flashbacks, like hopola hantle every single detail hore na ho etsetse wrong, and it keeps hurting more and more and more. It's like motho baka erase that memory for some time being, and
but it's not possible.
It's not.
But anyway, tell me, how did you say, you know what, I'm over this pain. I need to get over this pain because now I can't live like this.
I guess kamora experience I had to learn my lesson. This is actually what happened kamora I went to my place. I was still full of pain. I didn't talk about it. So I called my friend. I wanted to discuss it with her, but I was too weak. She came, but before I could even tell her what happened, I just found myself having fainted outside my room. So the last thing I could remember was when I was going out. From there, the next thing, I was lying in a hospital on oxygen masks, the trips, the hospital smell, all the stuff. So that's actually what happened. So after that, I told myself that, you know what, I deserve better. So I know my worth.
Yes.
Yeah. So
because I like it when another woman is actually staying, I realize that I am worth it. But did you get maybe some closure? Maybe to say, you know what, maybe he did this because as women we have this thing of saying maybe he did this because I did this. Maybe, you know, did you get some closure in a way for why he decided to do you so dirty?
I really didn't think of it that much, but knowing that people are cheats, I wasn't surprised because I still thought that it's just that now I found them on the scene. Maybe he was still cheating, just that Kasimo told yes.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, that's that.
No, I understand. But tell me, after all these things,
Yes.
how do you feel? I mean, like, you've been through all those bad things. Now you want to move on. Did you get to move on? Did you get to do anything along where you're saying, this is for me and not for that guy?
I actually moved on, but with the hard lessons. I learned the hard way.
Okay.
So
Please elaborate that because now I don't understand. You're moving on, but you're holding on to something else.
there'll always be buts. Like, yeah, like I told you, I really loved the guy. So moving on, some people, we may love people, but they are toxic to us.
But did you get closure from him before we can say you've moved on? Did you get closure from him to understand, well, maybe he did this because of this and that? Because anyway, hahona anything that can justify somebody cheating, but did you get a closure of why he did what he did, or maybe he was just him being him?
I think he was just being him, Ojwalo, and I made peace with that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So now, there is the future, there is the past, and some people tend to hold on to the past, which you should never have to hold on to the past.
Yeah.
Which person are you? Are you holding on to the past, or are you moving on to the future?
I'm moving on to the future. Like the past, it has nothing for me. So I need to be that bright, happy person regardless of what happened. The future awaits.
Okay, but let's talk about the present now. Are you completely happy? Are you like completely forgave him even if you didn't even get the closure?
I think being
You
here.
don't have to think. I don't want you to think. Because now we are here. And now
Okay.
we need to introspect and then say, you know what? Man, this is who I am now.
Okay, me being here, it's part of my
Healing process.
yeah.
So you're still on that.
Yes.
So, okay. Yeah.
I've learned that the more you talk about the things the is the more you heal. So at some point I had to open up because it actually felt bad, but at some point I had to say it. So
But
I
at
think
least now also and then see people differently from him.
yes. Yeah.
Well, you deserve this because now that's actually a breakthrough. Because the problem we tend to do as women, we have our own theory of love, and now we hold on to that. But it's never that.
And it will never be.
If a man wants to hold on to something, he will do. If he doesn't, he won't. And now you're gonna be suffering for all that he put you through. So, you know what? I want to say to the TYCOONseries fans, you've heard her. You've learned that actually she's moved on. She didn't get the closure. It's not necessary. You have to get the closure for yourself. And then now you have everything lined up for you to say, you know what, I want to move on. And if I want to move on, let's grab this opportunity of happiness and love. So please, don't hold off. Hold on to the opportunity of great love, happiness, and everything nice. I'm your host, SESOTHO, and our guest here, Kamuheladin, was so incredible. You actually showed us that we don't have to have a closure because you see, most of us, we hold on to, maybe I have to get the closure before I can let go of that person. You understand?
Yeah.
But now you gave us a whole different thing. Please do tune on the TYCOONseries next Friday.
La nkgotlo pa lerato la mborova tse le mpudukanya lena la ditula o sa etima folo ya e hatla ho nna jwale metsa le heketse ya ka o tsoloha ante o itametse mo tseba haonga hate ante o itametse mo tseba haonga hate Mjolo la le kunu tu e veri tu la Mjolo la le kunu ae veri tu la na ya sa okanyati sa